Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I'll be giving the demo of how can we add and format series in a pyramid chart. So let's get started. For adding a series in a pyramid chart, we'll go to the edit option in the pyramid chart. We'll go to formatting, and in formatting, we'll go to series. Now in series, we'll go to series general properties, and here in series name, we'll see the name is series 1, and when I hover over any part in the pyramid chart, you'll see that the name is coming series 1. Now if you want, you can change this name and give it any suitable name you want to. Like now you'll see that the series 1 has changed to sales since I have changed the name over here. And you can also increase the width of the chart, or you can also decrease the width of the chart like this. Then we have series legend shape. Now that legend shape I'll be covering in the legend video later. Then we have the general thing, like you can increase the width of the neck. You'll see once you do that, the pyramid chart appears to look wider, and if you decrease the width of the neck, the pyramid chart will look a little narrower. You can increase the height of the neck, or you can also decrease the height of the neck as per your own requirement. Then we have slice. Now these slices we can make the changes, like the border width. You can increase the border width, it will appear like this. You can give a suitable color to the border like this. You can increase or decrease the opacity of the border in this option. Then we have series ticks. Now these are the ticks, the pointers towards which are pointing towards the country. If you disable them, you'll see they are not there. If you enable them, they appeared. Now if you want, you can make changes to these ticks. You can increase the border of the ticks, you can decrease the border of the ticks like this. You can increase or decrease the opacity of the border of the ticks over here. You can change the color, you can give them any color. You'll see the color has changed of the ticks. You can increase their length, decrease their length. And if in case you enable this option, inherit property from series, you'll see that the ticks have become longer and they have got multi-colors, which wasn't there earlier. So this is what this option, that is inherit property from series, lets you do. So if I want, I can disable this and it will come back to the original thing. Then we have series labels. Now, if I disable the labels, you'll be able to see the labels are not there. If I enable them, and you can make the changes to the position of the labels as well, like you can want them to become inside or outside like this. You can also make changes to the color of the label, like if you want, you can give them a suitable color. Now if I enable the group, now in case of group, you'll be able to see that all the country names are not there. In fact, only half of the country names are there, and the rest have been grouped into others, and the total sum of the value of those countries is appearing over here. So this is how we can do the grouping of the countries if you don't want all the countries should appear here. And then we have series tooltip. So now you can just customize, you can make changes to this tooltip which is appearing while I'm hovering over the chart, over the pyramid. So you can just change the background color. Like if I change it to red, you'll see the background color has changed to from black to red. And you can also change the text color. Like you'll see the text color has also changed, has become red. We can change it to black. See, the color has changed to black, and save and exit. So this is how we can add and format series in a pyramid chart. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions or queries, you can write us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.